Hello and welcome to our tutorial on installing the Java IDE and the JDK. First, let's talk about what an IDE and JDK are. An IDE, or an integrated development environment, is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to a computer programmer for software development. A JDK, or a Java Development Kit, is a software development environment used for developing Java applications. Now let's get started with the installation process. So step 1, we'll go ahead and download the Java Development Kit from the official Oracle website. Google search for JDK download. The first link you should find the official Oracle website. Click on it. Scroll down and choose your operating system. So mine is, I'm going to go with the 64-bit installer and I'm going to pick the .exe file. So just click on this one and save. In my example, I've already downloaded the installer, so I'm not going to download this. Next, let's download the preferred IDE. Some of the popular options include Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA and NetBeans. So for this demonstration, we are going to install IntelliJ IDEA. So Google search for IntelliJ IDEA. You'll find the official JetBrains website. Click on it. Click on download. And this is the IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate, which has a 30-day free trial. You're going to download the community edition. Just scroll down a bit and you should find the IntelliJ IDEA community edition. So I'm going to download the exe file here. So in my example, I've already downloaded this, so I'm not going to download it again, but you have to save the file. So once you've downloaded the JDK and the IDE, first let's install the Java Development Kit. Click on yes. Click next. Next. And click on close. Now the Java Development Kit is installed. Now let's install the IDE. Click on yes. Next. Leave this to default and click on next. Create a desktop shortcut. Select this one. Update context menu. Add open folder to the project. So when you enable this option, when you have a Java project in a folder, you can just right click and you will see an option called open folder as a project. So this is one of the important things that you have to enable. Next, create associations. In our example, we are not going to use Gradle or Groovy or Kotlin. We are only going to use Java, so I'm going to click on Java. Update path variable. You need to select this one. Click next. So it's going to create a folder, JetBrains. That's fine. So click on install. So I have the desktop icon created here. Okay, so once it's done installing, it's going to ask for a reboot. So I will leave it as I want to manually reboot it later. Click on finish. So I'm going to go ahead and reboot the system and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have restarted the computer. So let's open the IntelliJ IDEA. So click on new project and type in the project name. So I'll type in Codesome Java. So the Java version is like already selected by default. Click on create. So now your new project is created with a sample code. So now let's run this program. I don't have the run option enabled yet because it's still indexing, so let's wait for it to finish indexing. Okay, now it's done, so I'll click on run. Okay, so now the output is displayed. So we have successfully installed the IDE and the JDK. So thank you for watching.